Hi everybody, welcome back to another video at saklesmiles. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I know I already made a video about how to save money on groceries, but in this video I'm going to show you how to make your groceries last longer, because it's just amazing how much groceries Americans waste daily, especially when it comes to like fresh fruits and vegetables. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. My name is Sakli. Welcome to my channel, saklesmiles. Subscribe for money making and saving tips and tricks, budgeting, finance, and affordable do-it-yourself projects. In part with being a social worker, I use my channel as a platform to help promote Black businesses. With my knowledge, experience, and awareness, I strive to keep a smile on your face. Okay, so it's springtime. It's about to be summer. We got one more month until summer. You know, it's hot, groceries are going faster, especially with the heat, being in the house or sitting in your kitchen, whether it's like fruits or vegetables, they're spoiling faster because it's summertime and it's hot, and that's what they do. Also, in the summertime, you know, we're more thirsty, we're eating more sometimes, and we want more food like fruits and vegetables instead of heavy foods that will make us hotter in the summertime. So, step number 1 is to dilute. In order to make your groceries last longer, you need to dilute. Now, what do I mean by dilute? Add more water. Don't make your food as strong. Things like that. So with drinks, when you're making fruit punch, make watered down fruit punch. Don't use all that powder and all that sugar. And all that powder and all that sugar is not good for you in the long run anyways. So dilute. In the summertime, when we're hot and we're really thirsty anyways, all we do is just need something to quench our thirst. That's all we need, is something to quench our thirst. So drinking cold drinks, it doesn't matter what it is. You know, some people prefer water, I prefer water, and that just helps me save a whole lot of money anyways. But if you need to have juice, dilute your juice. Just use 1 cup or 1 tablespoon of fruit punch mix instead of 2 or 8, or if you're making like a big quart of juice instead of 8. And then also with the sugar, just use 1 tablespoon instead of 8 or whatever they require for it to be as sweet. You don't want sweet in the summertime anyways, because like with your sugar levels and things like that, you want your drinks to be as diluted as possible. And if you use less tablespoons with your powdered fruit punch or whatever you're in your sugar, that will make it last longer, and you'll have more drinks to last you throughout the summertime. So that is my step 1 for you guys. Dilute. I know it's gonna taste bland and boring and not sweet and, you know, waterish, but it's okay. It's good for you in the long run, and it's good for your wallet in the long run. So why not? Okay, step number 2 that I have for you guys is to freeze more things. A lot of people don't know this, but you can freeze your bread and then take it out a day before you want to use it. You know, let it thaw out, put it in the toaster, and you're good. A lot of people don't know that you could freeze your bread. So freeze more things. There's a lot of things that you could freeze. You could freeze your fruit, some vegetables. Actually, a lot of vegetables can be frozen. That's why they sell frozen vegetables. You know, you could freeze whatever. You could freeze anything. Anything could be frozen. Just be careful with freezing things like carrots, because I've noticed that like carrots will get, when you defrost it, it'll get all smushy and just not appetizing anymore. Unless you're buying frozen carrots, then that's fine. But in the summertime compared to the wintertime, it's best for you to buy frozen vegetables, which leads to tip number 3. Store your fruit in the fridge. Whether you're buying apples, oranges, whatever fruit that you're buying, store them in the fridge. They will last longer. Not bananas though. Do not store bananas in the fridge. Bananas need to be left out, or else they'll spoil. They'll spoil faster in the fridge. But any other fruit that you have, you know, watermelon, things like that, don't keep them on the countertops. Store them all in the fridge. All fruit should be in the fridge. This will help make them last longer. In the summertime, you can enjoy a nice cold fruit instead of having it be, you know, all warm and soggy. Okay, tip number 4 for you guys that I have is to stack your bottles upside down. Whether it's ketchup, mayonnaise that you have in the fridge, anything that you have in the fridge, jelly, jam, stack your bottles upside down. So you have 2 benefits for this. Stacking them upside down will prevent spoiling. Actually, you have 3 benefits. Stacking them upside down will also make it easier for you to scoop them out or squeeze them out when you're ready to use them. Stacking them upside down will also allow you to use all of the product. Okay, my 5th tip for you guys, this is my favorite tip because I do this every single spring, is to regrow your vegetables, regrow your herbs, and regrow your fruit. Everything that we eat has a seed in it. No matter what it is, there's some sort of seed or root in it that you could just go into your backyard and put it into the dirt, pour some water on it, and let nature take care of the rest. Potatoes. What you could do is sit your potatoes in the windowsill. I also do this with my onion seeds as well. Put them in the windowsill, let them sit in the sun for a while. Then as you see the roots start to come out and as they start to sprout, that means that they're ready to be put into the dirt or into the ground. And then you can let them grow. And then you will have abundance of potatoes or onions or things like that you could easily regrow. Sweet potatoes as well. This process works for them too. There's some fruits and vegetables that you need to sit in water. I know, like with beans, those need to go in like wet paper towel. I know you guys did that project probably when you were in middle school, but you put the beans in the wet paper towel in the plastic cup, and then you'll see the beans start to sprout. And that's when you know they're ready to go into the dirt. Whatever seeds that you have, do not throw them out. Put them in the dirt and regrow them. It'll benefit you in the long run. You'll save a lot of money, and that's a great way to make your groceries last long. Well, if you are a new person to this video, hit that little red subscribe button down there. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. I appreciate all the love and support that all my subscribers give me. All right, stay tuned, you guys, for another video with Sakle Smiles.